So hi guys, welcome back. In this topic we'll be discussing about the two types of irons. Number one is the sponge iron and number two is the pig iron. First we'll be discussing about the definition of the sponge iron and pig iron. A form of iron that we can produce directly from an iron ore through a reduction process. We can call it as a sponge iron. So what is reduction process? The addition of oxygen or the reduction of hydrogen, we can call it as a reduction process, right? So we can make these sponge irons directly. And coming to pig iron, a form of iron that we can produce it by melting the iron ore along with charcoal and limestone under very high pressure. And a very high pressure, if we can produce the iron by melting the iron ore along with charcoal and limestone, then we will get this pig iron, right? And we will be discussing about the composition. So the composition of sponge iron is rich with iron and low with carbon content, and pig iron is less iron content with rich carbon. And the properties of sponge iron are porous than pig iron, and pig iron is comparatively denser. And production, where this sponge iron is, how this sponge iron is produced. It is produced in liquid state process. It is produced using a liquid state process, and pig iron is produced using solid state process. Yeah, so here you can see the clear images of pig iron and sponge iron. And these pig irons and small sponge irons we will be using in construction purposes. We'll be using in this railway tracks or the materials of these trains, and we'll be using it for furniture, and we will also use it for nuts, screws or the joints, etc. household purposes. And after iron ore we'll be coming to know about the manganese ore. So the main importance of the manganese is 9 kgs of manganese is required to manufacture 1 ton of steel. It is the most important mineral for making iron and steel. Nearly 9 kgs of manganese is required for the manufacturing of 1 ton of iron steel. And what it makes to this steel? It makes the steel strong and removes impurities in it, right? And where this manganese ore is used, in bleaching powder, in paints, in insecticides, in dry batteries, in types of ceramics, and in china clay powder. And we have 3 types of manganese here. We have 3 types of manganese. Manganese is also used in manufacturing of these 3 materials. This ferromanganese, silicomanganese and chrome manganese. What are those? Ferromanganese, silicon manganese and chrome manganese. And we'll be discussing about the distribution. And the Odisha is the largest producer, and it is mined in Sundargarh, Korapat, Sambalpur and Keonjhar and Mayurbhanj districts. And in Karnataka, so Odisha is the first producer of iron ore. In Karnataka, it is the second producer of iron ore. Manganese ore. Yeah, so the first production for the first main state which produces the manganese ore is Odisha, and the second one is Karnataka and these districts, and the third one will be Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, in belts of Nagpur, Bandara and Ratnagiri districts. And the manganese is also found in Maharashtra in high quality and a great demand. And high quality. So quality is high and it is having a great demand, the manganese which is found in Maharashtra. And in Madhya Pradesh, the main belts of Chhindwara and Balaghat districts. Coming to Gujarat, Panchmahal and Vadodara districts. And in Rajasthan also it is found the manganese ore. And in AP, it is found in Visakhapatnam, Kurnool, Srikakulam and districts. In Jharkhand, Singhbhum. Now we'll be discussing about the next very important topic, which is bauxite. It is bauxite. And bauxite is a mineral spotlight. Bauxite is the raw material for making aluminium, right? So it is used for making aluminium, just like the manganese is used for making of steel. And it is a rock consisting of hydrated aluminium oxides, and hence it is light in weight. And so it is light in weight, it is used in aircrafts, ships and some cooking purposes steels. And it is having a highly good conductivity, and thus it is also used in electrical industries, and it is also used in headlight reflector. It is used in headlight reflector and telescopes. The cement is also used, and the dishwashers and the Coca-Cola tins. Bauxite distribution in India. In Odisha, Sundargarh, Sambalpur, Balangir, Koraput and Kalahandi. And in Jharkhand, Ranchi and Palamu. Then Madhya Pradesh, Mandala and Balagat. In Chhattisgarh also this bauxite is found in Durg and Raigarh districts and in the range of hills in Bilaspur. And the Maikala range of hills in Bilaspur, Durg and Raigarh. In Maharashtra it is found in Ratnagiri, Satara and Pune. In Tamil Nadu is found in Salem, Nilagiri and Madurai. And now we'll be discussing about the next topic after bauxite. We have copper. So in copper we'll be discussing some important points about it. The first one of the copper is that it is a highly ductile and good conductor of electricity. So what is the meaning of ductility? Means it can be made very, very, very thin. Very, very, very thin. It is very thin. Yeah, so here you can see where it is used. It is used in bottles and the wires and some stainless steel products, some telephones and machinery, automobile machinery also we will be using this. And in some old coins, the old coins are made using this. And the joints are also used in making this copper, and the wires also used by making this. And copper is also used in railway equipment industries and engineering works. So here you can see that it is used in making of railway track joints, right? Yeah, these all are the types of copper which we used in railway joints and etc. And copper is also fairly resistant to atmosphere corrosion and is used widely for making of alloys such as brass. So copper is used in making of brass. So what is brass made up of? It is made up of copper plus zinc. So please try to remember this, a very, very important bit which you may expect in your examinations. Okay. And it is also used to make with tin as bronze. In bronze, the copper is mixed with tin to form this strong bronze. And we'll be discussing about the distribution of copper mines in India. And the first place we will be giving to Madhya Pradesh, since it is the largest It's the largest producer of India, surprising Rajasthan and Jharkhand in succession. So after Madhya Pradesh, we can see Rajasthan, Jharkhand, right? And the Madhya Pradesh produces nearly 57% of the total production in the country, right? And in Rajasthan also, in K3, Singara belt, and Ajmer, Alwa, Bailwara and Chhattisgarh. And in Jharkhand, so coming to Jharkhand, Jharkhand is the third producer of India, third largest producer in India, and mined in Hazaribagh and Palamu districts. So Rajasthan will be the second place.